Hello, so in this video we're going to walk through adding a WMS file to our design file to stream our imagery into our base map. So inside my design file here, I'm just going to show that I'm going to be using the Ohio County coordinate systems. This works with a custom coordinate system, Ohio State Plane, or one of these Ohio County coordinate system low distortion projection designs. So it's very flexible, and the footprint that we're using is going to be based off of the Ohio County coordinate system. So this is what the intent and the design is for of these pointers. So inside my design file here, I'm in Franklin County, Ohio County coordinate system. I'm going to go ahead and go into my raster manager and attach my WMS. So it's a very similar process to attaching a raster as a WMS. We're going to go ahead and select the WMS option. Inside our standards, so this is in the Connect Edition version 2 of the OHDOT CAD standards, we have a folder in the data folder. That is Ohio County Coordinate System OSIP WMS. So these pointers are all inside the standards. So I'm working inside of ProjectWise, but these are also available outside of ProjectWise and function in the exact same manner. The pointers that we have inside that folder are set up with the 3-digit character code for the counties. So I'm going to select my Franklin OSIP WMS and go ahead and add that to my file. And it's going to give me the raster attach options, just like I would for a regular raster, where I can pick my level display and some other settings. One thing that's nice about the WMS pointers are the coordinate systems are already going to be reprojected based off of the system that we have assigned to our design file. So there's no need to go in and make sure that is going to be correct. It's going to do all of that in the background. So I'm going to go ahead and just attach that to my file. And it's going to be very dependent on your internet connection, on how fast that's going to load, whether you're zooming in and out, panning around. The one thing I do like is that it is a lighter form factor. The pointer files are only a couple kilobytes, so it makes it really lightweight and easy to use, whether using it in a data collector or using it in a design file. So I do have my coordinate system column turned on, and it's using WGS84, so that's where it's getting reprojected into our system. So it's able to be used in a lot of different places. So one other thing that I wanted to mention with our coordinate system, the extent of our imagery is going to be based off of the Ohio County coordinate system boundaries. So if you're looking for more imagery, you can go ahead and attach more counties to it. There is a buffer around the outside of these. So if I just keep zooming out here and get to the extents, we can see that this is going to be larger than the county itself once that full county loads. So we can kind of start to see where the Franklin County imagery was and then our surrounding counties. So there is a buffer outside of that, and that's part of the design. So if you needed additional imagery, you can go ahead and just add as many counties as you need, and those will get corrected into the correct coordinate system and attach nicely. Another thing I wanted to mention is the service that we're using is from the statewide imagery, so OSIP from OGRIP. And this service is the OSIP 3 most current available. So it's going to use the best imagery resolution as well as the newest OSIP 3 imagery that is available. If you wanted to see exactly what imagery is being used for the county that you're in, you can go into their REST service metadata and see what the county, the year, and the resolution is. You'll notice that there are a couple blanks. So currently, as of the making of this video, there are 8 counties that do not have streaming service available, though those are being worked on by the OGRIP office at the Department of Administrative Services currently, and those will be updated into the system as soon as they get those available. We've made the pointers so they are available. They still have the same buffers, but you may not see imagery for the counties that have blanks inside the REST service.